Okay, next up we're gonna measure some sugar. Sugar is kind of nice because sugar doesn't typically pack onto itself because there's all of these sugar crystals in here and they just stack one on top of another. So this is a little bit different than measuring out flour. So I'm gonna pretend I need 1/3 of a cup of sugar. So I'm gonna take the lid off of the bin, and for this, I can just dunk my cup in now. Okay, and then I can take my knife. If I've got a few little chunks, just kind of break them down, and then I can level across, and I've got my 1/3 cup sugar. So this one's a pretty easy one. It's pretty hard to measure or mess up sugar. Difference between this, which is just regular sugar, white sugar, granulated sugar is what it goes by in recipes, compared to this. This is light brown sugar. So difference between these two is that this is regular sugar, but it has molasses added to it, and that's what's causing it to get that kind of sand-like quality to it. So when I measure brown sugar, what I'll do is I'll measure it out, pack it into the cup, level it off with my knife, and then I should end up with the sandcastle. Now, my sugar is frozen because I keep it in the freezer to keep little pests away. So you just do what you can do here. So we're gonna dig in with our cup. We're gonna pack the sugar in. Because again, think like making sandcastles, if you've ever made sandcastles before. I'm gonna level it off with my knife, okay? And if I did it right, I should be able to pop it out of the cup, and then there's my sandcastle. So that's how we're gonna measure out brown sugar. So regular white sugar or granulated sugar, just dip your cup in, level it off. Brown sugar, we need to pack it into the cup to get this little sandcastle looking appearance, and that's how we know we've got enough of our brown sugar. So that's how we will measure some of our sugars moving forward. And again, just make sure you remove any utensils from the bins, lids back on when you're done, and we'll move on to the next ingredients.